Hi guys, we are here in the park, and I show you these beautiful flowers in here. It's very nice. Look, and they also have waterfalls here. See, this is in the park there, and a beautiful trees, and I show you this one too. It's nice also. There you go. And I'm going to the other part there, and I show you also the nice plants, beautiful plants there with look, the beautiful purple tree. I don't know what they call this one. And see, here on the other side are a nice white tree also with all our flowers. As you can see here, this is white flowers, and all